Hi, this is Diane. Welcome back to my luxury channel where we talk about everything luxury handbags, designer jewelry, cosmetics, everything we all know and love. Before I get to the topic of the day, I'm going to show my bag of the day per the usual, and here it is. This is my Speedy P9 Louis Vuitton in purple, size 25. It's a great bag. I'll be using it for the day because it's my bag of the day. I'll do a little spin, and I'm heading to my niece's wedding in Vermont for the weekend. I'll be bringing this with me, and it's a great bag. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you have a P9? Would you like a P9? Do you like this color? Let me know. Thank you so much. Bag of the day. I'm going to put it aside. Maybe I'll keep it in the frame just for shits. Ooh, did I say a curse? For kicks. Here we go. I'll leave it right there. Okay. Also, just a little extra thing that I received in the mail this week is this Chanel magazine. It's, I guess they make this at the company and for the stores, and they gave me a little card to go with it. I will read it real quick just to tell you what it is. I'm going to read it so, you know, we don't have to show it in the frame so much. It says, today Chanel writes a new chapter on this occasion, 31 Rue Cambon reinvents itself. The 31st edition of the Chanel fashion magazine explores the universe of Matthieu Blazy's first collections for the house. I hope you enjoy it. Warm regards, Rebecca McCabe, General Manager of Chanel Fashions. And I will put this aside here. And I'll show you a couple of photos from the magazine. There's a really great advertising campaign that Margot Robbie did for them, which was very cool for the Chanel 25. I'm trying to find it in here. I'll just show you a couple of photos. It's very cool. She walks around with the Chanel 25 in a mini and a small. That's one of them. I'm sure you've probably seen the videos and the ads here and there. Here's another one, just to give you an idea. And I think I have one more to show you. And this one, she has all different colors of the Chanel 25. And as you know, the Chanel 25 is a favorite bag of mine. I have a few of them. I am selling one, my light pink, if anyone's interested. Let me know. I have my email is in the description below. And it's a cool magazine. It just really shows, oh, here's one more in a different outfit and some more bags. But it shows Matthieu Blazy's collection. And it was nice of them to send this to me. And I thank you, Chanel, for sending me this. All right, I will keep it here just so it's some cute little eye candy in the frame. Anyway, I'll get to some housekeeping, my upcoming videos. I'm going to do a couple of tag videos, one from Mandy, Just One More Bag 01. Tag me in a couple of videos. One of them is best summer luxury bags. The other one is luxury bags that got away. That's going to be a fun one. I mean, they're all fun because bags are fun, as we know. And then another tag by Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture, If Bags Were Our Friends. So another fun video. So I do have to get to those tags eventually, but they are coming up and I have them on my list. So those will be some fun ones. If you'd like to see them, you could, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell and you'll know when they're published. Also, I have, besides this unboxing, I have another Chanel unboxing for two really fun items that are fun and unique. So that's coming up too, in addition to this Chanel unboxing I'm doing today. And also, we're still riding high on the Knicks win. That's why I'm still wearing my hat in this video, because today's the parade. I'm filming this on parade day. It's very exciting that the parade is today. And, it's just a fun thing for the city, and we're celebrating our Knicks, and we're very proud of them. So just to continue the celebration, I have my hat on. Okay. And then let's get to the I don't know. I guess we'll get to the topic of the day. I have a couple of more things, but the topic of the day is very important. All right. So the topic is a Chanel unboxing. It is a rare piece from the Matthieu Blazy collection that was recently launched. It was from the runway, the runway collection that they did in the subway. They had the whole subway thing and after party here in New York, and it was very exciting for the collection. And it came out, I don't know, a month ago, 2 months ago. My timing might be off, but whatever, maybe a month ago. And I was thinking about this bag, but I wasn't sure I wanted it. They had it in the 25, Chanel 25 size, but I have enough Chanel 25, so I wanted to maybe get it in a different style, so I did. My sales associate was texting me the photo of it. She said I could have it if I could come into the store today. They can't hold it for me. This was maybe last week. So she said she was leaving in an hour or two. I said, fine, I can get there. So I went up to the Bloomingdale's Chanel boutique where my sales associate, Stephanie, she's amazing. She really finds me the things that I like. She's always very responsive to me, and I highly recommend you if you're in New York, Stephanie at Bloomingdale's, Lexington and 59th Street. She's great. Go Stephanie. Okay, so let's unbox this baby. Brandon, can I have the box, please? It's over there. I had to wake him up. Thank you, Brandon. So it's your typical Chanel box with the little flower on it. I'm not going to say what the flower is. I forgot the flower. You could tell me in the description because I forgot. It's a flower. You know, regular box, has the bow on top. And I'm going to take the box out. I will take the bow off. I don't have to take the bow off. I'll just slide it aside and take out the box. It's a kind of a small box. It's not a big item, but it's cute. All right, bag over there. Sorry for the noise. I make a lot of noise in my videos sometimes. Typical box. My sales associate had to leave pretty quickly after I got there, because, I don't know, she had some appointment or something, but she didn't put the bow and flower on it, but that's okay. There's a flower on the box, and it's no big deal. All right, let's unbox this thing. Opening the box. Throw it over there. A little more noise. It has tissue paper. And the dust bag. It's in a dust bag, of course. It's always in a dust bag. I'm going to get rid of the box over here. Sorry for making noise. Typical dust bag. And here it is. Are you ready? Here it is, here it is, here it is. Let me take it out so I don't bend it in any way. Here we go. It is, I'm throwing that. It is the Chanel Bucket Leopard Bag. I think it's called that. I think I wrote down what it's exactly called. Chanel Mini Cheetah Print Bucket Bag. Whatever. Some people call it the Dalmatian bag. Spin. It's not exactly, it moves around. It's fur. But I read that the fur is like made from leather or something like that. There's different ways they make it. It's got the CCs. I'll zoom in a little bit. CCs on this side. I'll spin it and the CCs are on this side. This side doesn't have them. This side doesn't have them. It's a chain. You can wear it on your arm here like this. It's like that. You could carry it like this. It's not a shoulder bag, not a crossbody bag. It's very cute. And I'll show you the bottom. The bottom is very cool. It's got the C's on the bottom. Can you see that? I'll zoom in a little bit. The structure is not, like I said, not perfect. Oh, it's got some tissue in it. Take out the tissue. Throw that over there. It's like movable. It's like squishy, like that. But it holds a good amount for a small bag. The inside is burgundy leather burgundy leather, and black leather. I'm going to show you the inside. Brendan, am I okay with this? Can people see it? Maybe a flashlight might be good. He's going to get a flashlight. I'll turn it that way. It's burgundy leather inside, and then it's also black leather. I don't know if you could see that. The colors, it's kind of dark, but maybe I'll try it again. I think there's a flashlight on the cabinet over there, Brendan. Over there on the cabinet, over there.
Did you put it away?
Oh, it's on the cabinet over there.
I left it out.
Yeah, it's on the cabinet. I don't think he listens, but that's okay. On top, I think it's on top of the cabinet. See, he finds things when I tell him where they are. Thank you, Brendan. And that's what it looks like inside. Burgundy with black. All leather. And that's the bottom. It's a really cute bag. I am probably going to wear it this weekend with my gown because it's a black tie wedding I'm going to. And this probably would go pretty well with the gown. The gown has feathers on the bottom. It's a plain black dress, kind of like a turtleneck halter kind of thing. I'll take some photos and, maybe I'll do a short video showing the bag with the dress. And I think it's very cute. Like I said, they have this fur hair pattern in a 25, Chanel 25. I didn't want the 25. I have other 25s in leather that I love. This is a specialty bag. And I just thought that this size would be great for evenings and whenever. I mean, I use my bags whenever, however, anytime, but this is special, so it'll be more, I guess, special occasion, but you never know. What do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? It was such a rare find for me. It's kind of interesting that I love bags that are hard to find. It's not something I plan. It's just that I like the bags, and sometimes they're hard to find. But in New York City, there's lots of Chanel boutiques. For Louis Vuitton, there's lots of Louis Vuitton boutiques in department stores, standalone boutiques. So I have relationships with a lot of the sales associates. They're very nice. Most of them are very responsive. I really like them all. I give them kudos. Their jobs are, very busy, and people always bothering them, and do you have this, do you have that? But when I reach out to any one of them, especially Stephanie at Chanel in Bloomingdale's, she's amazing, and she's very responsive, and thumbs up against Stephanie. She found me this bag, and I thank her very much. All right, I'm going to put it here so you could kind of still see it. There you go. Okay, and one more thing before I sign off. Let me put that, I don't know, is that good? Okay. Right before I sign off, I'd like to talk about my Peace, Love Handbags t-shirt. It's still for sale. I told you that Tanya from Bling is the New Black, who I have a collab partnership with. I do get a small commission from the sale, but the shirts are still available. There might be 16 or 17. Let me put this over here. I don't want it to fall. 16 or 17 left. You could still order them. I have the link below in the description box. I'm wearing a medium. They're anywhere from extra small to double X and whatever to fit any size and style. Okay, if you like a shirt, go to the description box and purchase one from the link. And if you have questions, please always let me know. All right, is there anything else I have to talk to you about? Oh, just my upcoming videos, the tags that I'm doing with Mandy, One More Bag 01, Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture. The tags are Best Summer Luxury Bags, Bags That Got Away, and If Bags Were My Friends. There'll be fun videos. Also, another video coming up is my Chanel 2 fun unboxings, 2 more Chanel fun unboxings that are unique pieces that I love and I want to show you. So that's coming up. So if you would like to subscribe, please make comments. Let me know what you think of this bag. Let me know what you think of my bag of the day. I love when you comment. I love answering every single one of them. I learn from you, you learn from me, and that's what really makes the world go round. And go Knicks. Like I said, the parade is today. I'm still celebrating with my hat. And I think I might be finished. Oh, I always finish with Peace, Love Handbags. Peace, Love Handbags shirt. Peace, Love Chanel. How about Peace, Love Louis Vuitton over here? And Peace, Love NYX. Have a good day. Cheers.